What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. My friend Nate just texted me and he actually wants to go to the canyons. We've been kind of planning it like the past couple weeks or so, but everyone's in quarantine right now, so we're not gonna get out of our cars or anything. We're just gonna like kind of go and drive without any contact. But yeah, the one we're going to, I think it's called Trabuco Canyon. We're going up near him in Anaheim, or Orange I guess. We're starting there. We're coming back down that canyon over there all the way down to like Mission Viejo area. So it should be a fun ride. I'm not gonna bring the GoPro because last time the audio was like really bad on it, and I'm still trying to find a solution to that. So I've been looking up like different mics and stuff, and they're actually kind of like expensive. Like the adapter for the GoPro is expensive and the mics are pretty cheap. But then I'm trying to get like a mouth mount too for POV videos, so hopefully that's something I could add to the channel too. God, this thing never focuses on my face. Yeah, but I'll try to get as much footage as I can with this camera, and hopefully we get some decent footage. Maybe I'll like hop out of the car and get some flybys or something, because I haven't recorded my car from the outside in a long time. So I'll see you when we get over to Orange. This is how close I can get. Hey, Nate! Alright. Nate's filling up his tires real quick, and we're gonna get onto the canyon road. I've never been on this one, so it should be fun, but we'll see what it's like. We're on the road by Cook's Corner. It's been hard to film because it's pretty tight and twisty, so I don't want to take my hands off the wheel or anything. But yeah, we keep hitting the, not hitting, but we keep running into cars. It's pretty hard to find space up here because it's so tight, and a lot of people are going slow, but we're kind of just ripping like really fast. So we've kind of just been like laying back like this and then doing like quick like 20-second rips on like some of the twistier sections, which is pretty fun, and I'm sure Nate's having a blast in his car because it's so light. My car definitely feels a little heavy, but that's why I want to get into a different car. See, look, we're slowing down and we're gonna do a rip. This is a really cool spot with a bunch of trees overhanging. We actually just saw a cop going the other way, so hopefully he doesn't whip it around and come back for us, because we were going pretty damn fast when we passed him. But I think we're gonna go get some food or something, because there's a cop here now, so I don't want to stick around too long. It's beautiful out here. It's a perfect day. It's nice and it's kind of chilly, 60 degrees, and it's all sunny out. These roads are beautiful. All right, we just stopped off at this bridge. It's really cool. Kind of looks over, I think this is a toll road. It's looking good, man. Look at that. Damn. In the front too. Back home, but I just got these bad boys. I think they're upside down, but I got gaming headsets, so yeah, I'm probably gonna play a lot of Call of Duty tonight. I haven't had headsets this whole time, so like whenever I play with friends, I can't talk to them, or like I have to set up like a Zoom call or something. So it'll be nice to have those. Paid fucking 80 bucks for those. It's kind of expensive, but I think it'll be worth it. So it's a little bit later in the week. It's actually Tuesday, and I filmed the last clip on Saturday. I went to San Diego on Sunday to see my family for Easter. We stayed like pretty far apart, so no one infected each other if anyone was sick. But today I'm about to head to SSR Performance to get a quick oil change. But I just wanted to show you a part that I just got from my car. I picked this up from SCP Euro, and let me get it out of here. Basically, it's focus, won't focus. So basically, this is the windshield molding. Mine cracked, and it's been cracking like for a long time. I'll go downstairs and show you how bad it is. So I'll be replacing this soon and probably making a video on it. It's pretty easy to do. And then I just got some trim tools to help me get it out of there. Definitely look out for that video coming soon. So here's the windshield molding that I'm talking about. You can see it's just crumbling, essentially. You can just pick it off really easily. I've even picked off some bigger pieces over there. But the replacement runs from all the way down here, which you can see even in there it's cracking. So it runs from down here all the way up around and on to the other corner. So it'll be nice to have brand new trim. Whoever owns this car next will appreciate that little touch. Now I'm gonna head over to SSR Performance, the sticker right there, and I'll see you over there. I'll try to vlog something, but I think they're keeping everyone pretty distant, so I don't know how much I'll be able to get. I'm just gonna chill outside because they have some rules in place because of the coronavirus. They don't want anyone staying inside, which makes sense. But it shouldn't be like a super long service, so I'm just gonna chill in the shade. And then there she goes. This M2 comp is pretty sweet. There's actually a car that I've really wanted, but they're still around like 50,000, even used. New, I think they're closer to like 65. But the reason I want this one is because it has a S55 engine. But yeah, just too expensive for me. I'd definitely get like an M4 because they're like 35K used, which is really affordable for that nice of a car. If I had the money, I would totally get this thing. Pretty sweet. So this is what I would get instead of the M2 comp. Probably some sort of F80 M3 or F82 M3 or M4. This one's really clean. Oysteiner wheels. I'm not a huge fan of the carbon fiber stuff, but I think these cars look really good with the GTS hood and then just kind of a regular duckbill spoiler on the back. But even these F80 M3s are pretty cheap. They're more expensive than the M4s because I think people like these ones a little bit more. I think it's a really good car for the money, and probably in the next year or so I could see myself like putting down the money for this. But right now it just doesn't make sense. I'd have to get a loan for it. I'm not trying to do that.